stars in the night? Let's see how it. Okay. Let's see how it works. Come on. Okay.
Switch off the light. Okay, switch off the lights, Hanvi. Switch on that. Back side. Show them controls.
This is on and off. This is stars and this is nebula. And this is the remote we got here. So this is nebula button. This increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. And this is to increase the number of stars, decrease the number of stars. This is to increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. This is a power button and we can adjust the timer also. So let's see how it works.
Switch off the light. Switch on. Easily go up. Show the stars.
ములే దాన్ని ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసి అదే దీన్ని స్టాండ్ పెట్టు ఆగుతుంది. No, we want only upstairs, so we can. Where is the remote? Give me the remote. See, it's changing. You are pressing, right? Itivo? Ipok Sarman. Wow, you can see now. Wow, wow, it's rotating the sky, stars. Avira, ela undi?
Switch on the light, you can see.
Wait.
Yes, Namisri. You're getting very good, right?
On the light.